Chapter 20 Manufacturing Industries. Producing useful articles from raw materials is called manufacturing. Man has been making useful goods since early times. The Industrial Revolution in the 18th century completely changed the method of production of goods. Machines were invented and the work was now done with the help of machines. Manual and animal power was replaced by thermal and hydel power, which fueled the machines. Nowadays, many economic activities have been associated with modern industry. Any economic activity which is associated with the production of goods or services is called an industry. The extraction of minerals, production of goods, or provision of services are also called industries. Classification of industries. There are several factors that determine the size, location, growth, and development of manufacturing industries. These factors include availability of raw materials, sources of power, water supply, availability of skilled laborers, capital investment, market for manufactured goods, transport facilities, and ownership. Thus, industries can be classified into several groups on the basis of raw materials. Agro-based industries. Agro-based industries obtain raw materials from agriculture, that is, plants and animals. Cotton textile, jute textile, silk textile, vegetable oil, sugar and food processing are agro-based industries. Mineral-based industries. Mineral-based industries obtain raw materials from rocks and minerals. Iron and steel, aluminium and cement are mineral-based industries. Pastoral-based industries. Pastoral-based industries obtain raw materials from animals like sheep, goats and cows. They use hides, skins, bones, horns, flesh and milk. Woolen textiles, leather goods and dairy products are pastoral-based industries. Marine-based industries. Marine-based industries derive their raw materials from seas and oceans. Processing of seafood and manufacturing fish oil are marine-based industries. Forest-based industries. Forest-based industries derive their raw materials from plants such as trees, bushes and grasses. Paper, cardboard, rayon, lac, resin and furniture are forest-based industries. On the basis of size. The size of an industry depends upon the amount of capital invested, number of laborers employed, and the amount of goods produced. Cottage industries. In a cottage industry, mostly the members of the family make goods from the locally available raw materials. Small-scale industries. Small-scale industries use power-driven machines. Raw materials are obtained from outside and goods are sold through traders. Large-scale industries. Large-scale industries use heavy power-driven machines, huge capital investment, thousands of laborers, and a complex management system. They bring in raw materials from far-off places and send the finished products to distant markets. Iron and petrochemicals are examples of large-scale industries. On the basis of ownership. Private sector industries. Industries which are owned and managed by an individual or a group of individuals are called private sector industries. Reliance Industries, Tata Steel, Hindustan Motors are private sector industries. Public sector industries. Industries which are owned and managed by central government or state government or their agencies are called public sector industries. Bhilai Steel and Bharat Heavy Electricals are examples of public sector industries. Joint sector industries. Joint sector industries are owned and managed jointly by private firms and government agencies. Gujarat Alkalis, Punjab National Bank and Oil India are joint sector industries. Cooperative sector industries. Those industries which are owned and managed by a group of people are called cooperative sector industries.